Translation API can be used to dynamically translate a string into any supported language. Let's see how to use Translation API with C#. First, make sure the API is enabled in your project and the service account exists to make API calls. Both are explained in the code lab in the video notes. In Cloud Shell, let's create a simple .NET Console app and add Translation API NuGet package to the project. Open the online code editor and navigate to program.cs. We will translate an English text to Turkish. Reference to the Translation API library. Create Translation Client. Specify the text to translate and call Translate Text on the text with to and from languages. Finally, print the translation. Let's run the app. There you go, you just translated text using Translation API.